The platform that I'm going to review today deals with prop trading, and I will explain what that means in just a minute. Here you can trade stocks, currencies, traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies, and a lot of other assets. If you're a talented trader, they fund you. They actually allocate funds toward your account, and there is a free trial available. So if you're unsure whether or not you should trade by utilizing this platform, you can stick to the free trial first and see how successful you can hypothetically be. The company is brand new, but it was created by experts in the fintech field, and I'm excited to review this platform today. Interested in learning more? Let's jump straight into it. Without further ado, let's get rolling. TradingCult, TradingCult.com is a platform that was founded by Nicola Berardi, this guy. It's always important to understand who's behind a project to kind of foresee the platform's potential success. Nicola also founded Traders Trust. He was also the CFO of Saxo Bank in Switzerland. So this guy understands finance and is an expert in fintech. Now, what is TradingCult about and what is prop trading? Prop trading or proprietary trading is when a financial firm like a bank or trading company uses its own money to buy and sell stocks, bonds, or other financial assets to make a profit. Instead of making money by trading on behalf of clients, the firm bets its own funds on market movements. So how does the company know if a trader is going to earn money or lose it? Well, TradingCult minimizes risks for prop traders by offering structured challenges, and these challenges focus on skill development. Risk exposure is controlled through predefined limits and a gradual increase in complexity. So there are challenges on the platform, and I'm going to walk you through these challenges. Obviously, you're partially responsible for the risks, and I will walk you through that. TradingCult provides challenges that make trading accessible and scalable for everyone. Traders who perform well and manage risks effectively earn higher profits and better rewards. To work with large amounts of corporate money, you need to buy a challenge. And here is what it looks like. You pay $100, $99 to have $10,000. You can also use my affiliate link to get a 20% discount. So this would be $79 and you would have discount with each of the challenges. Let's see, you need to achieve an 8% profit to move to phase 2 and so forth. Your maximum total loss cannot exceed 10% and your maximum daily loss is 5%. It's a pretty good deal in my opinion. And before diving in and paying money, you can test your skills and see how the platform works by trying out the trial. The trial is 100% free. Just click on this free trial, complete the registration process. There is no KYC, which is awesome. Once you complete the registration process, you will see this screen, and this is when the magic begins. Remember, you pay nothing and can practice to see if you can be successful on TradingCult. If you think you can, use my affiliate link and register, even if you are not planning to purchase anything and you're just registering out of curiosity. Consider using my referral link in case you will want to obtain any of the packages in the future. Once you create a trial account, this is what you will need to do. You have account details on the right sidebar. You will need them to get access to your MT4 account. If you don't know what MT4 is, MetaTrader 4, it is a widely used trading platform known for its comprehensive features catering to online retail Forex traders. It supports trading in various financial instruments like Forex, commodities, and indices. The platform offers advanced charting tools, technical analysis indicators. To log into your MT4 account, you typically download the platform from your broker's website, and I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to download MT4 from TradingCult. This will help us collect real-time data feeds and execute trades directly from the platform. So we'll have to connect MetaTrader 4 to TradingCult, which will allow us to trade. To download MetaTrader 4, click on these squares on this icon and paste the link in your browser. Here you will have options. If you use Windows, then click on the Windows option. Once the software is installed, copy the credentials, copy your login, copy your password, select the correct server, and connect to TradingCult from MetaTrader 4. There are plenty of tutorials online. If you go on YouTube and type in how to use MT4, you'll be able to find numerous tutorials that explain how to connect your account, that explain how to trade, how to select a pair, how to place an order, what all of these buttons mean. So here you can see your balance on MetaTrader. Here you're able to select certain pairs. Here you can choose your candles. There are plenty of tutorials online. I'm not going to cover all of it in this video. I can see my chart window, and this is where I can place my order. Let's say I can choose take profit as 0.92330. Stop loss would be 92060. I stick to the default volume and I click on buy by market. Here I'm able to see my P&L. These lines indicate the take profit and the stop loss. So once again, make sure you understand how the platform works. Make sure you practice with the trial first. Ensure you understand the dynamics of this platform and that you can trade profitably once you've built up confidence, once you're ready for your first challenge. Go ahead and give it a try. I suggest that you start small. What I personally like about this platform is I like how easy it is for traders to register and get access to the platform. There is no KYC. No KYC is needed on this platform, which is great. Another benefit is if you want trading to be your full-time job and you don't have enough money, but you're confident you're a good trader, prop trading is a great option. It opens up opportunities for you to trade large amounts of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars, by risking significantly smaller amounts. All rules are transparent and the broker has a strong reputation in fintech. So obviously, just like with any financial instruments, there are risks involved and you should be fully aware of potential risks. Evaluate the risks, run your own research, and make sure that you do not risk more than you can spend. If you have any questions, shoot them in the comment section. I'm happy to communicate with you in the comment section. I'm done for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.